I like to get, there's a pile of this manure down at the end of the road this fall. I'll
Right.
stop, put on my garden. Tell you what, it's nothing better for fertilizer.
Right. I'm sure there are still people that milk the cows by hand, right?
Yeah, there's an Amish, some of the Amish.
Right. Because, I mean, that's like technology.
I tell you what, if you get some water,
Oh, no way.
you're the one who wants muscles. Get down there and start squeezing.
There's a few. These dairy farms, way up there.
Estamos aquí en una granja cerca de la casa de Kate, donde vinimos a disparar los shotguns, las escopetas. Y el señor que es dueño de la tierra aquí tiene un montón de vacas y nos está enseñando aquí cómo las ordeño. Yo ni tenía idea de cómo es esto y ya no lo hacen a mano, ¿no? Sino que le conectan esos tubos que están ahí y de los tubos sale la leche, va allá arriba donde están estos tubos y la pasa por todo eso hasta allá, hasta que cada dentro en un tanque grande que ahora vamos a ver. Eso que se ve ahí, es puro maíz. Y creo que eso lo muelen y es parte del alimento que le dan a las vacas. Interesante todo lo que tienen aquí.
There's lots of them around.
They're cute when they're small.
They're cute when they're big, some of them.
Well, the red ones, I will say, the color one, I do like that.
How old are these babies?
That one was just born maybe 3 or 4 days ago.
Oh wow. Where's the dad?
His dad is on another farm. We
Oh.
bought the cow bred. The ones that, the dad isn't here, I don't think. That guy over there will be a future dad that's laying down poopered out. These little bulls.
Wow.
Luis is from Panama. Where my sister-in-law. And they live in Nebraska.
Baby.
Yeah.
Baby, baby.
July. Never shot a gun before, so that's why we
Baby. Little cow. Hmm?
want to know what that smell was.
Barn in the northern smell.
Big. When they get big, they think they start to run the place.
Right.
When Bob's dad had the farm, he had their neighbor's kid come down and help him.
Right.
And he had a great big old bull. And
Because that looks small for a bull.
yeah, well see, at the time, the bull thought he was Mr. Big. He got in there and got a little frisky with that kid and scared the shit out of him.
Right.
Well, whenever you do that, the bull knows that he's got to get scared, and then the bull knows that he's tough.
Right.
So send him down to the slaughterhouse. get them killed before the bull kills
The
one of
owner.
your helpers.
Right.
So ever since then, he'd only leave the bull maybe a year or two.
Right.
He'd always have another bull in waiting, and then that way they never really got used to being teamed.
Right.
And
Well,
then-
watch.
So when also whenever I worked up here and stuff, he always told me, he said, I don't give a shit what you do, but he said when that bull comes in, he says, never show that bull that like you're scared. He said,
Right.
he said never back down. And then too, I always carry the axe handle.
Right.
And then he said that bull gives any shit, he goes fucking whack him.
Right.
You show him who's boss.
Oh,
So,
God.
he doesn't keep them very long, just long enough so where they can start breeding because. That's
That's a
800 gallons.
What you doing?
Just getting water out of the bowl.
Oh, good.
There's a suction down there. If they know enough to push on, I'm sorry, they push down on that and water comes to them. That's
This
how
one is huge. Some are bigger than others.
Oh yeah, well, see, that's a female.
Right.
That's a girl.
So females grow usually bigger than
Wow.
bulls.
Well, she might be pregnant or two. She could have just
She's
pregnant.
ready to kick.
Yeah. So, let's see. She's got 2 marks up on top of her. So I don't know if they can get mastitis or whatever. And
Right.
then when they do that, there's some kind of infection in the milk. And then you can't put that in with a regular milk
Right.
because you can't sell that. The bad milk, what they usually do, they'll usually give it to the cow.
You wanna walk this way? Or
They're not milking. They're all dried up.